Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 7 in the lecture series on writing an effective resume. In this class, we shall try to understand why and what we have to write in educational qualifications section on a resume. Well, pretty much hype is given to this section. This looks actually pretty simple, but why this is more important? Well, education qualifications is a reflection of you as a candidate. That means it tells about your recent past, what you did, what subjects you have gone through in your academics, what exams you have written, what grades you have got. So it is like a reflection, it mirrors what exactly you are very specifically in your academics. And they define the quality of the exposure you had. In addition to the conventional learning, in addition to the classroom learning, education qualifications also includes additional learning things like major courses or honors degrees what you achieve along with the conventional learning. You can also include the certifications, any diploma or training what you achieved or acquired during your learning process. And the grades what you get in this section, what you show in this section, stands as a proof for your ability, for your eligibility for that job which you applied for. So, what I can write in education qualifications? So, education qualifications should always be mentioned in reverse chronological order, which means your latest degree comes first. If you are a postgraduate student, first you will write about post graduation, then about your graduation, then about your plus 12, then about your schooling. If you are a graduate student, first comes your graduation. So, this is called a reverse chronological order. So, what you can include as a part of this? You will include what is your current institute and where it is located, and what is the degree you're pursuing, and when is your graduation expected graduation year, when you will be passing out, and what is your GPA. I always mentioned that these videos are intended for freshers. So, assuming that you are still a student, still going to college, you may not have a complete GPA of your graduation. So, you can mention your graduation till whatever the year or semester you are learning. Then it also conveys the domain expertise what a candidate possesses. You can mention in which specialization you are doing your graduation or post graduation in. You can mention your honors specialization and any other additional learnings. Now there are two ways you can convey your education qualifications. These are the most famous or preferred ways which many people or many candidates project their education qualifications. However, this is not a mandate, but you can take a leaf out of this and you can use this. So most famous is a table format. This should be type 1, where you mention the degree, the university you're passing out in, the graduation year, and the GPA. These are the mandate things. And then comes your diploma or your plus 2, and then comes your graduation, then comes your schooling, etc. So this is a tabular format. The advantage of tabular format is if your GPA is very good, if you are very good at academics and grades, a table is well seen or well understood with less effort by the interviewer. So if your grades are good, then go for a tabular format. Well, if you don't want to use a table, then you can go for a text format. Text, again, this also is followed in reverse chronological order. You will write your latest degree first. For example, pursuing BTech in computer science engineering at ABC University, and you will write your GPA. If you are doing any major course or any additional learnings, any part-time learnings, any certification courses, or any open university learnings, you can mention them after your main graduation or post-graduation course. Then you can mention your honors, then your plus 2 or diploma, then comes your class 10th, and this should be your order. The advantage of writing the content in text is, uh, if even if your grades are average, but if you have many things to say, table is has limitations to tell many things. So then in that situation you can use text format. Text format doesn't have any limitations. You can write n number of points, so it will be seen good in text format. And this text format or a tabular format is very important for a fresher, because a fresher doesn't have any experience. So to understand what is the learning of a candidate, they will refer to these two things. I mean, this section, education qualifications. So I hope you understood what is the importance of this. This will become a driving force. Many times questions will start from these discussions, what you mentioned in education qualifications. And so these are very, very important for every candidate. It may seem very simple for you, but give utmost importance to education qualifications. Prioritize what to highlight, what not to highlight. Prioritize in which type you are going to present your content. This is going to play a very important role in your selection and in your interview procedure. So I hope this information is useful for you, and in our next video we'll make an attempt to understand what core skills we can write on a resume, followed by what are the other soft skills you can mention. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this is useful. Please like, share, and comment if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching.